Well, I think, we always struggle as an industry with professionalism. I think, for us, it's really important that we seek high levels of education. Urban real estate, we make sure our agents are always taking additional classes, going to additional conferences. I think exposure to how people do business in other cities is important. We try to travel and see what people are doing in other markets and learn what we can glean from that. Also, the political climate affects the real estate market quite a bit, and it's important for agents to stay involved in what's going on in legislation and how that legislation can affect their business, and making sure that they have a chance to impact, what legislation is going on, because sometimes things are brought forward and there are unintended consequences of that legislation if, as an industry, we don't come forward and say, hey, I know you're trying to help people, but what you're really about to do is these three negative impacts as well. And so as an industry, we need to stay very engaged in what's going on in legislation. I think that drives our market as much as anything. Well, the economy and legislation is the housing market.